Welcome to Kyung's Kitchen. 안녕하세요. Thank you for watching. Today I'm going to show you how to make grape juice without juicer. And if you have muscadine grapes, got a lot of seeds, or some heirloom grapes like green grapes or red grapes had seeds, and if you want to make a juice, this is the answer for you. So go ahead and let's start. First, you will need 2 cups. This one has seed in it, seeded grape, green grapes. It's from our garden. Praise God. So you're going to put in the blender 2 cups. Now you will need 1 cup water. And you don't need a lot of sugar. I'm going to just put 1 tablespoon turbinado sugar, which is a raw sugar, healthy sugar. And I'm going to add half teaspoon stevia. This is a sweetener and from nature extract from stevia, and no calorie whatsoever. You're going to put pinch of sea salt to bring up some sweetness. So that's 1/8 teaspoon sea salt. And you're going to blend. You're going to blend only 10 to 15 seconds. If you had a power blender, 10 seconds work. If you have just a regular kitchen blender, probably maybe 20 seconds. So let's go and start. Okay, there's 10 seconds. So from here, see, I didn't blend the seed completely. So we need to strain this one. So I'll go ahead and put it in the little bowl and the strainer. Smells so good. This is so delicious, so fresh. I need to share some nutrition information about grapes. And grapes has very high antioxidant, which will fight for cancer, or will help you to lower your cholesterol, lower your blood pressure, also blood clot, and help your heart disease. So it's good for your heart. And also very high in vitamin A, vitamin C, very high in vitamin K. We need vitamin K for the strong bones and blood clotting. Also high in complex carbohydrate, praise God, so high in fiber. Helps you build the immunity really high. Praise God. God thought about our health when He created delicious grapes. Okay. And now usually whatever left over here, I'll put some water, blend it, and feed my garden. They love this. And this one, this is a city organic grapes. We planted about 3 years ago, and this is the first year we get to have some delicious and fresh grapes. And do you know that from one vine we had 52 clusters? Praise God! Just amazing about God's love. So from here, what I will do, put it on glass so you can see. And you can drink when you can, and if you cannot finish, you can freeze them. Then whenever you're ready to drink, thaw it out, I am making a lot of mess here. Okay. I think you will make 2 servings. How about that? I'm gonna go ahead and wipe this one. Doesn't it look good? So this is how it look, and delicious. So if you have a muscadine grapes at home, or you externally bought some city grapes, or you have a lot of grapes, you want to make some juice, this is the simple way to enjoy. If you like to have a written recipe, click the show more below the video. Thank you for watching. See you until next program. May God richly bless you.